How's it going, guys? Working on a 2009 Acura TL, and this should be the same between a 2009 and a 2014. It's Acura TL with the push start system. We're going to go ahead and show you how to reset the oil light. Go ahead and, without your foot on the brake, make sure your foot is off the brake. Press this start button twice, one, two, and that'll go ahead and turn the ignition on. We're going to be using this button right here, the select, and then all apply. See, that pops up right over there for the reset. What we're going to go ahead is click over. We're going to be clicking this to just toggle through, and then we get to this screen, and then we're going to click and hold this cell reset button. Click and hold, and you'll actually see it pop up with like a reset and cancel um, logo. There you go. And then you just use the up arrow, click to cancel, click over to reset, click the select button, hold it down, and then it just resets and just disappears. Now we can turn the car on, and you will see it gone. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys.